Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to use TransferNow to send large files. So I am going to break down step by step guideline in this quick tutorial. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So what is TransferNow? TransferNow is a platform where you can simply and free way to securely share your files and folder. So they allow you to share your large file like 5 GB. So let's click on here start. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now they are asking for choose a file from that place. So I'm going to choose this one, and let's click over here. Now you can see this is a one file 1.35 MB, and here you can send this file by particularly using an email address, or you can create a link. So I'm going to add an email address here. That will be this, and let's select a name. It will be optional, so it's not mandatory, but I am going to give it. And receptionist email, who wants to give it, like who is the receptionist. So you can add any name like project. Let's copy my mail from that place. This is my working mail, so I will copy this one, and let's add it here, and it will be go to this Gmail. Then you can add a subject, you can add a message, whatever you want. Now you just need to be click on transfer. Once you click over here transfer, then you are allowed to security analyze in progress. So it will take a while to share it, then you are allowed to get it. So now if you check your project mail, then you are able to see it that your file has been saved. Yes, you can see this is the TransferNow. How is it work? So this is your download link. Just click over here, and now you will get the access to download the file. Here file is ready. So the process is really simple. I hope you understand how TransferNow really works. If you understand, then I hope you can do it in your future work. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for further this informative video, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.